A flower macro becomes stunning when every petal edge feels crisp and textured. Today, how to create detailed flower petals. Open Photoshop and create a 3000 by 3000 pixel canvas at 300 dpi. Then place your flower macro image on the canvas and duplicate the layer. Start by opening Filter, Camera Raw Filter, and gently increase texture and clarity to reveal the subtle veins and surfaces on the petals. Next, duplicate the image layer and apply Filter, Other, High Pass with a radius of about 1.8 to 2.2 pixels. Then switch the blend mode to soft light so the detail